Hello everybody, this is Johnny Ringo with Las Vegas Bus Sales, and what I have right here behind me is a 2009 Bluebird All-American. It's got a Cummins ISC 8.3 liter in the back there, and this bus is clean. If you can notice the front, there's just really just some minor, and I'll point them out as we go around. There's a minor scratch there along the bottom. And up here in the front, these front tires, we notice they've got plenty of tread left on those. And what makes all of our buses appealing out here is that we like to always point out how they're rust-free. If you take a look up underneath there, you're not going to find any rust. It's really clean underneath. These rear tires, they don't have nearly as much tread as the front, but they've still got some tread life left in them. It's a really clean bus. Take a look at that ISC 8.3 liter Cummins. Engine is in really good shape. By the way, this bus only has 83,000 miles on it. This side there is not nearly as perfect as the other side. You do have some dings underneath here. Looks like they may have gotten a little crooked on something that's sticking up. Same tires on this side. Fronts have plenty of meat left, but the rear's not nearly as good as the front. Then entering the bus, you've got your grab rails. The inside of this bus is in great shape. You've got your double back seats with a bench seat, and all these seats are in just really good shape. Front and back. We're not seeing any tears or cuts or anything. The floors are in all great shape. You've also got these speakers throughout the top, lighting for your passengers. You still see the backs of those seats. Everything's in really great shape. Then you've got, of course, your rear air. You got your mid air up here. And by the way, one other thing I didn't point out is that we've got our condensers are on the roof on this bus. And of course, your rear and front. Driver's controls. And this bus has a Panasonic stereo up there. CD player. There's your mileage. 83,995, which is low mileage for 2009, but this bus is really great shape on the inside. And that's our 2009 Bluebird All-American. I'm Johnny Ringo with Las Vegas Bus Sales. We have lots of inventory out here and lots of buses like this. Check us out online at lasvegasbussales.com or email us at sales@lasvegasbussales.com. And our phone number is 877-456-9804. And have a great day.